Welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. In this video you will watch 3 English conversations, asking for and giving information about how to make something. Before that, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Traditional pasta making with a tech twist.
Have you ever made handmade pasta from scratch?
Yes, I have. It's a traditional technique that requires a lot of time and effort.
Definitely. Did you know that handmade pasta has a different texture and flavor than store-bought pasta?
Yes, and that's why it's worth the effort to make it from scratch.
I heard about a smart pasta maker that can make the process easier. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I have. It's a technological element that can help achieve perfect dough consistency and shape.
That's amazing. Can you walk me through the process of making handmade pasta with the smart pasta maker?
Sure. First, you prepare the dough using flour, eggs, and water. Then, you insert the dough into the smart pasta maker, which kneads and shapes the pasta for you.
That sounds easy. Does it still incorporate traditional techniques?
Yes, it does. The dough is still made by hand, and the smart pasta maker only assists in the shaping and kneading process.
That's a great blend of tradition and technology. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. It's always fun to experiment with new techniques while still honoring tradition.
Classic bread making meets smart ovens.
I love baking bread, but it takes so much time and effort. What's the traditional process like?
It's a lengthy process, but the results are worth it. First, you mix the ingredients and knead the dough. Then, you let it rise for a few hours before shaping it and baking it in the oven.
That sounds like a lot of work. How can a smart oven help?
A smart oven can make the process easier and more efficient. It has features like preheating and temperature control, which can ensure that the bread is baked perfectly every time.
That's great. Can you walk me through the tech-infused steps?
Sure! First, you mix the ingredients and knead the dough. Then, you place the dough in the smart oven and select the bread baking option. The oven will preheat and adjust the temperature as needed, ensuring that the bread is baked perfectly. It even has a feature that can notify you when the bread is ready.
Wow, that sounds so convenient. What are the benefits of using a smart oven?
Using a smart oven can save time and effort, as it takes care of the baking process for you. It also ensures that the bread is baked perfectly every time, which can be difficult to achieve with traditional baking methods. Plus, it's more energy efficient than a traditional oven, which can save you money in the long run.
That's amazing! I'll definitely consider getting a smart oven for my bread baking needs.
It's definitely worth considering. Smart ovens can take your bread baking to the next level.
Tech-infused sushi rolling.
Have you heard about the latest tech-infused sushi rolling techniques?
Yes, I have. It's fascinating how technology is revolutionizing the sushi making industry.
Definitely. Did you know that the traditional method of sushi rice preparation involves washing the rice several times to remove the excess starch?
Yes, and it's crucial to achieving the perfect texture and taste of sushi rice.
I read that there are now sushi making robots that can prepare sushi rice perfectly every time.
That's right. Sushi making robots use advanced technology to ensure precise measurements and consistent quality of sushi rice.
What about the fish slicing? Is there any tech innovation for that?
There is. Augmented reality apps are now available to help sushi chefs master the art of fish slicing.
Wow, that's amazing. How does it work?
The app uses a camera to scan the fish and provides real-time feedback on the angle, pressure, and speed of the slicing technique.
That's impressive. It's great to see how technology can enhance the traditional methods of sushi making.
Indeed. It's a seamless fusion of tradition and modern innovation, resulting in the perfect sushi every time.